welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about today's video because we are doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's kind of like a first impression slash trying out some products that I used to love that I haven't used in a while. So it's kind of like a mix of everything, but I do really like the way the look turned out. I use quite a few cream products, which I'm normally not used to. And so you'll get to see all that demoed. And yeah, I'm excited. So anyways, really quick before we get started, if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. But yeah, I'm excited to jump in, show you guys how I got this look, test out, play with makeup. I've been organizing this weekend, getting everything like in drawers of new stuff that I haven't tried out. So these videos are going to keep coming. So I hope that you enjoy them. I've been saying for a while, I need to do first impressions. I need to try out products that I'm hauling, this, that, and the third. Well, here it is. I'm doing it. So please like this video if you're excited, and let's dive in. All right, guys. So we are starting barefaced, zoomed in, got the brows done. We're going to start off with the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. I have no idea whatsoever where this look's going to go today, so we'll just let it take us wherever it's going to take us. I'm going to start with the first shade that's actually a little bit cracked. Now, the thing with the Dose of Colors is you have to be really careful because they are very, very powdery. I'm going to lay this color down. Ooh, gosh, they are so pigmented though. So that color is getting laid down in the crease. And I do want to make sure that I have like a really nice, strong brow bone before we like get super into this. So I'm going to take the Petal Metal collection by Smashbox. This palette is so beautiful. It has lots of really pretty shimmery shades. I tested one earlier, but let's put it on the lid. Look at that. Not the lid, the brow bone. That is just gorgeous. I mean, it's literally so pretty. Back in to do the dang thing. So yeah, we're just keeping this, yep, solely in the crease. This is so freaking gorgeous. I have no idea what I want to do. I'm just so excited to film this morning. So I stayed up very late last night, organizing makeup, organizing stuff for giveaways, cleaning out drawers, and I finally got everything like over here for all my new stuff, and it's like laid out where I can see everything. That way I'm like, hey, this is a first impressions drawer basically. So that is really pretty. Okay, now we're just going to keep on going down. So we have this shade next. I need to take this like lining. Oh, there's no lining on the mirror. Just kidding. So like, look at all that pigment. So we're like really tapping that out. That shade's just going to be brought down a little bit lower than the first shade. And we're bringing it all the way over. Ooh, this is going to be a fierce look today. Maybe we'll do a smoky eye. Maybe we won't. Oh my gosh, I haven't done a smoky eye. I don't even know the last time I've done a smoky eye. My eyes are already feeling raw from a look I tried earlier that I just was like, no girl, it's not gonna work out. Oh yes, these are blending so good. I feel like even though these are really powdery, they would be good for beginners because it's just like, they're very creamy shades and they just blend so easy. They aren't patchy or anything. I'm gonna take it a little bit too high on this eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in, where is it, with a very tiny brush. This is the MAC 221 brush. It has a little bit of like old eyeshadow on it, which I'll dust off. I've been honestly so obsessed with this. We're going to go into this like shade right here. It's very, very tiny, but it's good for like going in and just getting like precisely where you want everything. Yeah, I'm so obsessed with it. Gosh, I'm really liking these colors. I think it was Roxette Arista that I saw do a tutorial with this eyeshadow palette, and I was like, ooh, love me some berry shades. Like, love. I feel like this one and the second shade look like they're blending together a little bit, but that's okay. We want everything nice and blended. Then we're going to keep on venturing down. We're going to go into that darker shade. We're going to go in with a more flatter brush. This is the Sigma E25 blending brush, but it's a little bit more flat. So I'm really going to like, yeah, place the shadow exactly where we want it. I almost want to go in, yeah, just do like some darkness right here. This definitely is not the brush to do this with, but that's okay. Sometimes you don't always have to play by the rules. Now that I have that laid down a little bit, I'm going to keep going back in with this like hot pink shade because that is my jam right there. And I'm almost going to like work my way back up, switching brushes and blending some more, you know, because that top shade's a little bit more orangey, which is how we want to keep it. I always say when I get to this point, I always feel like I look crazy. It will all come together. Always does. Do we want to go black? Let's see. Ooh, look at those. I wonder if we have like a black kohl pencil. You know what? I got an idea. I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea. Okay, I'm gonna take this Sigma Wicked gel liner. That's supposed to be like the bee's knees. And I'm gonna get a little bit on just like a fluffy brush. Woo! Pop this on the lid. I have no idea what I'm about to do right now. Dang, that is like something fierce. Okay, I really need SOS. No, I'm just kidding. Try to use this angle brush to like buff it out a little bit. All right, that is looking a little bit better. I'm gonna go back in with that purple shade. See, the purple shade is gonna be a lot darker with the black under it. Actually, it's just gonna look black. Clean up some fallout. All right, so we're just going in with black. And I've made such a mess. This wasn't what I was initially trying to do. This is what happened, so this is what we're going with. All right, so I'm gonna bring the purple up just a little bit because that dark is very fierce. I'm just keeping like a gradient purple. This is the joys of first impressions. I go back in with the pink, and I can't find the brush I was using the pink on, so. I mean, the eyeshadow look looks very blended. It might not look that way on camera. Let's roll with this and see what happens. We're gonna go in with the Sigma Wicked eyeliner. Is it called Wicked liner? No, it's just the Sigma liner. We're gonna do a wing. Oh yeah, this is real dark. Totally messed that one up. Maybe I'm not meant to get up early in the mornings and film. Maybe 8 a.m. is just too early to start doing makeup. I mean, here's the thing. I feel like it looks really good on, like, in the mirror. But then on camera, it looks like kind of crazy. So we're just gonna keep doing our thing. I'm gonna go in with this givenchy. Somebody literally told me exactly how to say this because I showed this in my mail haul Monday. It was sent to me through Octoly. So this is a eyelash base primer, and we are just going to prime up the eyelashes. Not gonna lie, this look is probably gonna need like actual lashes. Oh, this is actually like spreading out my lashes very nicely. It's like making them very full. I haven't used a lash primer in so long, but this one actually looks like it's working really well. And I like that even though it's like a pink, it's not like staining the lashes where it's gonna be hard to go in over top of something. Y'all, look how long my lashes look just with this. Oh my gosh, yeah, I really am digging that eye primer or eyelash primer. I still kind of want to go in with some lashes. Okay, so we got lashes on. These are those Rogue Lady Killer lashes. Okay, so I want to like have really glowy, dewy skin, like really. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Farsali oil. Haven't used this in so long. It really doesn't feel like it's like hydrating like it normally does. There's that. Ooh, my face is looking tan today. Okay, we're gonna go in with a little bit of primer. I'm gonna go in with the Professional Pearl Primer. See how that looks? It's supposed to blur your skin, but also give you like a radiance. I picked this up at the Sephora sale, so we shall see. Wow, I grabbed a little too much on my hand. So I can definitely see the pore minimizing aspect of it. I don't feel like it minimizes your pores as much as the Professional. But that's just like my first time using it, just like first thoughts. That might also be because I just dropped some oil on my skin. Oil, y'all are wearing off on me. There's that. So this isn't a first impression. I want to do the CoverGirl like foundation wear test, so I don't want to try that yet. This is the Jouer Essentials High Coverage Foundation. I have not used this in a hot minute, and they came out with all new shades, so we're gonna retry it. Oh my gosh, I guess I needed to shake it. It like literally just like ran out like water. Okay, that was just not what I, oh no. No, way too light for my skin right now. Guess we need to go into some deeper shades. Try to pat that off a little bit. Rub it into the skin. Well, it looks like it oxidizes a lot. I don't remember it oxidizing that much. Okay, well, I think this honestly is probably a good color. To me, it looks like it would be a little bit more peachy. I love how thin this foundation is because you literally just put like the tiniest bit. This might be a little bit too golden for me, but that's okay. We shall make it work. But you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like so like watery thin almost. But it like gives you so much coverage. Like that little teeny dot on my forehead is like covering my entire forehead. Oh, by the way, this beauty blender is from, I think you pronounce it Shayna B. I can't remember exactly how you pronounce it. Cosmetics, and it is the bomb. They also sent me like some other brushes through Octoly. This one they sent over, and I can just show you guys just like right here. As far as blending out, like it's so soft and it does such a good job, because sometimes I need like a actual brush instead of a beauty blender, especially when I'm trying to get around these eyebrows. I like to go in with a brush, but yeah, this brush is awesome. It is their Kabuki buffer brush. And then we're gonna go in with another like oldie that I haven't used in so long. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin. Might even be a little bit too light for me. I'm like layered up under the under eye. Okay. Yeah, I like this beauty blender because it's like got a flat tip on it, and it gets like right in the crevice of your eye, and you can kind of just like sharpen under your wing and everything. On to some newness. I'm gonna let this set under my eyes, and we're gonna go in with the Hourglass Flash Highlighting Stick. Oh my gosh, I've saved this for so freaking long and haven't used it. I think I'm gonna go in with this, what is this? This is a Pro Slanted Buffing Detail Brush. I've been actually using this for my concealer. I've been really liking it. Okay, I need to just straight go in with the stick. I'm like not good at creams. The Natasha Denona one spoiled me. Oh my gosh, I'm putting so much on. It really spoiled me because it was so easy to use, but I just feel like I'm just not good at creams yet. All right, let's see how that looks. It's still pretty, but you see what I'm saying? Sometimes I feel like the cream just gets blended out. I want it to be blended in, but I don't want it to be blended out. This is better. It's still on. We'll go over top of it with like a nice pretty, and maybe it's just because I want that like bam in your face type glow. And then also we have some of the, where'd they go? Where are you? Okay, these are the Trippin' and Yacht Life by, so this is like a nice blush shade, and I'm just gonna put it on and blend it out. I'll probably put way too much on, but that's okay. Look at that glow. That's what I want. I want like a bam glow. This is the Invisible Finish Line Coconut Setting Powder. Y'all, I need a good setting powder. I just finished the Born This Way. It's like completely done, and I'm devastated. Here's what this looks like. Let's first do this under the eyes and see how that goes. I love this Makeup Forever. What is this? The Wavy 140 brush. I just love this for under the eyes. Well, it looks nice. I like squinch my forehead. Now my forehead looks like creasy. Not greasy, creasy. Okay, I'm gonna use this Ela. Oh, too much, too much. This is the beautiful thing about first impressions, because you're like, oh crap. So far I like this. I like it a lot. I don't feel like it really smells like that coconutty, but maybe that's just me. Okay, I feel like my brows need to be touched up just a little bit. They got a little lost in transaction. Where's the eyebrow pencil? Okay, I guess the eyebrows might have to wait a little bit. I don't know where the dang eyebrow pencil is. Where? Oh, there you are. My eyebrows are just such a struggle. And again, I want to get them microbladed, but I'm just so scared. I was watching videos like people saying like a year later, would I get the eyebrows done, or like the changes, and one person said that like a year later they didn't really look like brow hairs. They were just like, I don't know, just like disappearing, I guess. But my eyebrows are awful. And like, I think because there's like lighter, you can always tell where I've like filled them in. And they look decent, I guess right now. They look okay. All right, let's go into bronzer. Okay, so I have this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores bronzer. Honestly, I don't feel like that's gonna do anything. Let's put it on the forehead and see what happens. And it's very shiny. No, can't really see anything. Let's see if I can go get a darker one. This is such an old bronzer, but I feel like it would be dark enough from MAC. Yes. Oh, I really want to place a MAC order because I need to get some of their extra dimension skin finish. Is that what it's called? Extra dimension? I can't remember what it's called. Their skin finish, because I just feel like I haven't really been loving only wearing a loose powder. Okay, see now the cheeks are popping with that highlight. I feel greasy because of I think all the stuff that I put on today. Okay, I feel like since I have a super like crazy eye look, I want to be a little bit toned down for the blush today. So we're going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics one. I'm actually going to mix the blush, these two together. They're beautiful. And all this is doing is just kind of like layering on top of that cream that we put on earlier. Whew, so much for tone down. Then I just go in and like, whoa. Okay, and then we need to just put a little bit of highlight on the highlight to set the highlight. This is Whisper of Guilt by MAC Cosmetics. Never used this before. They sent it over like a couple weeks ago. Heard wonderful things. That is just setting off. Dang. The other highlight that we used. Oh, I mean, I don't even know what to do with myself right now. Maybe I could. Oh! No. Oh my gosh, that brush was freaking wet. I did wash my brushes last night. Oh, okay, that was fun. Sigma sent over this like shader brush the other day. So I'm going to go in with the black underneath my eyes, which I never, ever do. I went in a little bit more purple than black. I'm going to mix the like pinky, these two shades. Then we're going to go in with a little bit of bottom lash mascara. We're going to spruce up the brow bone highlight just a tad bit since it's gotten a little bit lost, which it does tend to do that most of the time. Okay, this is a Rimmel London East End Snob. This is a like lighter nude from Flower Beauty. This is called Honey Nude. Honey Nude. Let's see if I put this on here. Maybe it'll lighten up the purplish. This is the Shayla X ColourPop lipstick. Lip gloss. I've been liking glossy lips. Okay, I think I like that a lot better. Let's pull the hair down. Ooh, the hair's looking a little rough today. Okay, so this is a finished look. I really like how everything turned out. Oh my gosh, I never do like super like smoky eyes. Yes, I wasn't really planning on doing this kind of bold look, but I do really like how it turned out. So let's go through a rundown of products. Blushing Berries Dose of Colors. Oh my gosh, absolutely freaking love this. I did try this off camera, but I accidentally, I think, deleted the footage. Where did it go? The Pop Beauty Brow Pencil. I did not like the shade. It is the shade, it was like a taupe color. I don't have the box because I was trying two different shades. Just didn't really like the shade range. As far as the other products go, I mean, I liked pretty much everything. I don't really feel like the Benefit one like blew me away. It was okay. But yeah, some of these items were new, some weren't, but I do overall like how the look turned out. I like keep looking at it because I'm like, oh, I'm so bold today. It's like 9:30 in the morning on a Saturday. So gonna go run errands like this. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you want to keep seeing tutorials, first impressions, everything. I like the Marc Jacobs powder. I really did like that. I'm trying to just like overall think of stuff I use. The highlight is popping. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.